To roll over a 401k to Fidelity, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine if you are eligible to roll over your 401k. Typically, you can roll over your 401k if you have left your job, been laid off, or retired. Next, gather the necessary documents, including your 401k account statement and any other relevant paperwork. You will also need to contact your former employer or 401k plan administrator to confirm the rollover process and obtain any required forms. Now, open a Fidelity IRA account, which will serve as the destination for your rollover funds. You can do this online or by contacting Fidelity directly. Once your Fidelity IRA account is open, initiate the rollover process by filling out the necessary paperwork and submitting it to your former employer or 401k plan administrator. You have two options for rolling over your 401k: a direct rollover or an indirect rollover. A direct rollover is the recommended method, as it allows you to transfer your funds directly from your 401k to your Fidelity IRA without incurring any taxes or penalties. An indirect rollover, on the other hand, involves receiving a check for your 401k funds and then depositing it into your Fidelity IRA within 60 days. After initiating the rollover process, wait for the funds to be transferred to your Fidelity IRA account. This can take several weeks, depending on the complexity of the transfer and the speed of the parties involved. Once the funds have been transferred, review your Fidelity IRA account to ensure that the rollover was successful and that your funds are invested according to your preferences. It is essential to note that rolling over a 401k to Fidelity can have tax implications, and you should consult with a tax professional or financial advisor to determine the best course of action for your individual circumstances. Additionally, be aware of any potential fees associated with the rollover process, such as transfer fees or account maintenance fees. By following these steps and being mindful of the potential tax implications and fees, you can successfully roll over your 401k to Fidelity and take control of your retirement savings. Remember to always prioritize your financial goals and seek professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the rollover process.